Hey everyone, Creative Venus here and welcome to another beautiful tutorial. And as you can see on your screen right now, this is a very beautiful slide that I have created. So let's see how to create this beautiful slide. Let's start with filling some beautiful icons, and I have already selected few icons and I'm downloading those icons here. So most of you guys ask like from where I get this icons tab in my Microsoft Office. So I want to tell you that icons come preloaded with Office 365 subscription. So I have purchased Office 365 subscription. So it is a subscription model which Microsoft provides. It's not a standalone PowerPoint, so I get all the latest features from Microsoft in this PowerPoint. So moving back to this tutorial, I have placed those three icons on the left, as you can see. Now I'm creating a new icon. So for that you have to insert a rounded rectangle, and we have created this icon. So now we have these four icons here. So you can see on your screen right now that I have placed the icons on the left side of the screen, and also you have noticed by now that I have also placed a color palette which I have downloaded from Google Images. So the next step here is insert a text box which you can use to mention slide title, heading. So now, like I've written here, Creative Venus Business Presentation. So let's change the font to something beautiful here, something condensed. So let's pick Oswald. So I'm looking for Oswald here, starts with O, M and O P, Oswald Light. Let's pick this one, select, then change to uppercase, reduce the font size, and change the color to light gray color, and then increase the character spacing. So now you can see that we have our slide title ready. So what should we do next now? So now let's insert another text box here, and we will write some heading, and you can write your own heading according to your requirement here. So I'll write a beautiful word here, evolve. So we all are evolving, and so I've used this word. So let's beautify this text, trying something unusual here, not something that I've seen somewhere. So I thought it will look good if we increase the font size for the alphabet E here. Now insert a thin line here and place it something like this. It should start it should be left aligned with the letter E. Now let's insert another text box which we will use to write small description. So currently we are using a dummy text here, and let me tell you how to write dummy text. So Microsoft Office has this feature where you have to just write in the text box equal to and LOREM, and then in the brackets write a number, and number represents the number of paragraphs that you want. So I generally write 1 in the lorem, so I get one paragraph of dummy text. After that you have to press enter, then you get the dummy text. So I have used 2 paragraphs here, and you have to adjust it, place it. So you can try and experiment here and just keep on moving, aligning things until you find the best placement. So let's insert rounded rectangle. It will be our call to action. So let's give it some light gray color and write text here. You can write learn more, explore, or name of the page that you want to link here, and you can hyperlink this button. So whenever in the slideshow you want to see details, you can click on this button. So call to actions are very important, and many times I see presentations where people generally don't use these calls to action. So you can always use them whenever you want to showcase some kind of example, some kind of website. So it's a good feature in Microsoft Office that it allows hyperlinks on the slide. So I think it will be a good creative element if we write year like 2019 I have written on the left. It just look good here, so that's why I have added it. So now let's insert a rectangle shape. So I have inserted this rectangle shape, but we have to reduce its size horizontally. So let's keep it around 6.5. all right, let's place it on the extreme right, and let's do something here. We can increase it a bit. Let's keep it 6.8. increase its height a bit. So what we are trying to do here is we will keep 2 rectangle shapes here, one for the information and other for the image. So I'm thinking if we keep image at the bottom and information at the top, so that will look good here. So we have placed these 2 rectangles, one small, one big or large. So let's duplicate these 2 shapes and place next to it without any space. Group them together. You can press Ctrl plus G for grass, and you can rotate it vertically. Again, duplicate the shapes and place next to the yellow shapes. So it is pretty easy stuff till now. So now you just have to fill the colors from the color palette. Colors are personal choice, so I think you can follow any color palette here. Just try your own colors. I mean, you can create your own color palettes, or you can find it online. There are many tools, websites, or you can search Google Images for that. You will get lots of color palette ideas. Now it's the time to add some images here. So I've already downloaded few images from pexels.com. So let's insert these one by one. I have to adjust the offset value so these images are clearly visible here. So once the offset values are in place, so image will start making some sense here, and it doesn't look stretched now. And what we will do next is we will follow the same procedure in the next 2 rectangles, the yellow one and the blue one. So I'm still adjusting the offset values here. I have kept it 120 in negative. So let's insert the picture here and the magic will happen. So what's gonna happen is it will pick up the formatting of previous image, so you don't have to adjust the offset values again and again. So we have the images ready here. So everything is in place now. The next step is duplicate this image and solid fill, select black color, increase transparency to 40, 50 and 60, 65%. Again duplicate it and place it on the second image. Again duplicate it, place it on the third image. But I'm still not satisfied with the kind of effect that I'm getting here. I think we should not keep this black, but we should use white color. So let's first insert few icons here. Let's pick these 3 icons which I mostly use, and let's place these icons on each of these colored rectangles. So it's pretty easy. Let's first change these to white, as I said earlier. Now the next step is to place these icons. It's pretty easy job. You have to just drag these icons and place it on these rectangles at the center. So once you have placed all the icons, select all and reduce their size, and we have to change their color. We have to keep them white so that these icons are visible. So place these icons in the center, insert a text box and write some heading here. Let's write strategy. So our first rectangle box is talking about strategy, and change the font to Oswald Light and adjust the font size as per requirement. Also increase the character spacing. I generally follow loose, so you can adjust as per your font choice. So once placed, insert a thin line here. So let's place the thin line in the center of the rectangle and insert another text box for a dummy description here. You can change it anytime after downloading this slide. So I've used lorem and dummy text here. So I'm just adjusting the font spacing and size. So it's totally up to you. I'll not tell you how to do it. It is very easy. So you can try different things here. It's up to you. You have to be creative here. So once everything is in place, create a group of these 3 items. So now we'll copy and paste these 3 elements on all these 3 rectangles. So once we have placed the content in all the 3 boxes, our slide design is complete. So this is it, and this is a very easy slide to design, and it is not a complex slide. So I hope you like the design of this slide, and you will press the like button. I really hope so. And please support us by subscribing to our channel and letting me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching, and keep watching our videos. And one more important thing, have a nice day. Bye bye.